how to change information on your order on the iconic. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change information on your order on the iconic, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your account, that is your iconic's account. Now once you're signed in on this account and you've placed an order, you must know that making changes to it can be very tricky. Okay, so let's go through. After logging into your account, you'll see different options, different products that you can order and get on the iconic. And then by the lower part of the screen, by the right side specifically, you see options like contact and fax, delivery, returns, track orders, share your ideas, gift card. And by the time you click on track orders, you'll be taken to the orders page where you'll see all of the orders you've made. You'll see details about the orders. You'll see options on tracking your orders, requesting a return, and even to check your order history. Now on this page, you will see that amongst the orders, you won't see the option of how to change your order, or of changing your delivery address. This is because after an order has been dispatched, okay, you cannot directly change it. So the fastest way of updating your address is by chatting with the customer support on live chat or by contacting them. And how do you do this? By going to the lower part of the screen on the others page and then clicking on contact us. Okay. And after clicking on contact us, you're brought to the contact us page. Here you can see a write-up which says how can we help. And by the time you scroll down, you can see if you want to raise an inquiry with us, use the widget in the bottom right corner of our help center. So just move to the lower right corner here, as you can see on my screen, and then click on this widget, and then this is the live chats box. Okay, so in this box now, we can now select what you want. Do you want to chat to our team? Do you want to change or cancel my order, delivery and shipping, etc. For in this case, you wouldn't deliver and shipping, so select it. Okay, and then the virtual agent will chat with you. Just go ahead, select what you want. Now in this case, is I need to change the address of my order. Click on it, and then they'll be directed on what you need to do. So this is how you can go about it. This is basically how you can change information on your order on the iconic site. Thanks for watching and have a good day.